The factory rail roof rack system is designed specifically for use on car roofs that feature factory rails. They are easy to install and remove, compatible with a wide range of accessories. Rhino Rack have three types of factory rail roof rack systems, which are Vortex SX, Vortex SRB, and CXB. Vortex SX is suitable for factory rails, and Vortex SRB is suitable for solid factory rails where there is no space between the rail and the car roof. And both of these can only fit Vortex crossbars. CXB features twin bolt tightening for maximum clamping strength and fit heavy-duty crossbars only. I will show you how to fit the Vortex XS on a Volkswagen Tiguan SUV. First, you will need a box of SX022 Vortex SX leg and two VA118B Vortex crossbars. Please check the fitting instruction part list to make sure you have all the components. Press here and tear back to open the Vortex crossbar. Remove the end caps, rubber buffer strips, and measurement strips from the inside of the crossbar. Insert the rubber buffer strips into the top of the crossbar. Insert the legs into the crossbar. Make sure the jaws on the legs are open. Place the front crossbar above the roof rail in line with the gap between the front door and the rear car door. Place the rear crossbar randomly, then measure the distance from the front to the rear crossbar between 700 and 800 millimeters. Continue to the other side. Make sure the overhang on each side of the crossbar is equal by measuring from the inside of the leg to the outside edge of the crossbar. Then tighten the roof legs using the security Allen key supplied. Tighten the legs evenly, moving from side to side, making sure the legs don't move. Tighten to 3 to 4 Newton meters, which can be seen when the curve in the blue handle of the Allen key goes straight. Insert the rest of the underbar strip between the end of the crossbar and the leg and trim the excess. Tap the end cap onto the end of the crossbar. Repeat this process for the other three. Grasp both racks and give them a good strong shake to test they are secure. The Volkswagen Tiguan Vortex SX 2-bar roof rack system is ready for use.